So as a leader, I feel very supported at the organization because the chief nursing officer is very hands-on. She's very approachable. She's very accessible, which is nice. So that if you just have any little question, or perhaps you have an idea about a way to enhance treatments for someone or to offer something new, you always have an open door or an open ear for someone to listen to you, which is really nice. For myself, I'm a pretty informal leader in that I like working with a team. So that means I'm not someone that sits in an office and says, well, I need this done and can you go do this? I like pitching in with the rest of the team, working together. If we run into a problem, we problem solve and figure it out together as a group. So that's my MO, I guess, is I want the team to come together about every opportunity, problem, challenge, or any victories we have that we celebrate together.